Welcome back to the social place for boaters, the Drift.
While John was touring Superyacht, he couldn't resist diving into the full yacht charter experience. A sip and a lick of an amazing concoction with a little help from Goslings Black Seal Rum.
On the sun deck with Chief Stewardess Elodie.
Yes.
And you've got some Black Seal. What's going to win the cocktail competition at the show here for you?
Yeah, so for me, I named this drink Tiki Enters the Speakeasy.
Tiki Enters the Speakeasy.
And it's kind of for me, you know, when I think of Goslings Rum, I think of a tiki style drink, right? A dark and stormy, something that's got pineapple, something that is tropical.
Love it.
My favorite drinks are drinks you would get in a speakeasy, more craft style cocktails, things that use adventurous, different types of herbs, and more culinary style drinks. Right. So for me, I kind of did a riff on something that you may get in a speakeasy.
Okay.
So yeah, so I've used Goslings Rum. We've done fresh lime and muddled rosemary in here.
Lime and muddled rosemary.
Yes.
All right.
And then we've got an ancho chili liqueur. So you're gonna have a bit of a bite with this. And then I've topped it here with a painted Mike's Hot Honey and a citrus ancho chili rim.
This is cool. Look at that. It's ready to go. Right, so what's this here again?
It's a citrus ancho chili rim.
I'm a dark and stormy guy.
Okay.
I grew up on dark and stormy, but this looks like this could give the Black Seal a new life, I think. Oh, look at that.
And then we've topped with some fresh rosemary,
right,
and some dehydrated pineapple.
How presentation is everything, right? So take a look at that presentation. You're going to win on visual alone.
Oh, thank you.
Should we take some?
Please, I recommend.
What's the technique for drinking
a little lick and a sip and a lick.
A lick?
A small
lick. And a sip and a lick. Lick?
Small lick, not a big lick. That's a lot of salt.
Whoa! Sip. And a lick. That's good stuff.
Good.
You wouldn't want to share this drink with anyone, though.
No, it's your drink. Only yours.
That is good stuff.